Um, Good morning, children. So, uh, we are in the chapter number 5, and this is the last part of the chapter number 5. So, what we have done till now, we have discussed about the agriculture of the India, we have discussed about the industries of the India, and now today we are going to see about the transportation of India. From the slide on here, you can see transportation means it is a means through which people or the goods can transport from one place to another place. Okay, so the vehicles we are using for the transportation, for transporting the either the human beings or the goods are known as the transportation. Okay, so there are various means of the transportation in India. For example, the buses, trucks, lorry, train, aeroplane, is it? Two-wheelers, scooter. Okay, so we are going to see all the types of the transportation in India and its development in India. Okay, so let's get started. So the transportation in India starts with the transportation with the road transportation. Road transportation are actually of the different types, and it is divided into 5 types: the village roads, district road, state highway, national highway, and then it is an expressways. Okay, so we'll start with the road transportation. Road and the transportation are not only used by the man to transport the goods from one place to, but it is also to bring the people more nearer to each other. It helps in promoting the unity of the nation. There are the roadways, railways, waterways, ropeways, etc. also in India. Okay, and there is also a pipeline are used to transport the liquid, which you can see till now only in the metro cities. The pipeline transportation is used to transport the LPG in the household. Okay, जैसे हम लोग के घर में जब खाना बनता है तो उसके लिए जो एलपीजी सिलेंडर जो एलपीजी गैस होता है उसका सिलेंडर आता है. इफ तो वन सिलेंडर एम्प्टी, जो सिलेंडर देने वाले होते हैं वो दूसरा दे जाते हैं और एम्प्टी वाला ले जाते हैं. बट जहाँ पे ये पाइपलाइन होता है वहाँ पे जो एलपीजी गैस का सप्लाई है वो थ्रू पाइपलाइन होता है, लाइक दी वाटर सप्लाई. ओके, फ्रॉम दिस मैप यू कैन सी the network of the road network in India. Okay, you can see this. Yeah, you can see these, the more darker and the reddest of all this, these all are the national highways. Okay, so the network of the road transportation is huge in India. And why it is important? Because it not only useful for the transportation of the goods, but it also brings the people nearer. Suppose if from the Porbandar city to the Rana Vav I want to go, then rather than to prefer the railway train, I will prefer bus or the auto rickshaw. Is it? So, but these all vehicles can only run on the proper road. That's why the road are very much important for promoting the transportation. Now we will see the types of the roads also. Roads are a unique feature of the nation and are equally beneficial. It is constructed to connect the village and provide the facility of transportation to the villagers. The road web of India is the biggest one in the world. So जो इंडिया का रोड का जो कनेक्शन है, कनेक्टिविटी है, रोड वेब है, क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा रोड है, सो वी आर कॉलिंग इट द वेब. जाला, रोड का जो जाल है वो इंडिया में दुनिया का सबसे बड़ा रोड वेब है. नाउ मूविंग टुवर्ड द टाइप्स ऑफ द रोड, इट इज द विलेज रोड. Village road connects the village with the main city or the taluka or the district's main city. Is it? Here you can see this upper part is the village road. Okay, then and how does it is important because it connect one village to another village. It also connect the districts and the taluka. Okay, so if the people of the village are in emergency or if they want to travel, then they can use this road, because traveling on the kacha road is, you all know that vehicle doesn't run properly on the kacha road, so it required a pakka road. Okay. Then the district road. The district road connects the major regions and the cities with the taluka. Here you can see this is the district road. Okay, so it connects the villages and the different districts with each other. Now next is state highway. Here you can see it is an state highway. Here you can see whenever you will cross a district or the city, there will be the board in the state highways. Okay, and it connects the state capital with the district headquarters and the important cities. जो state highway होता है वो उस स्टेट की कैपिटल को उसके डिफरेंट डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स या डिफरेंट हेडक्वार्टर्स के साथ कनेक्ट करते हैं. नाउ द नेशनल हाईवे, इट इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट हाईवे. It connect one state with the another state. Okay, here you can see this is a national highway. The highway which crosses from the Porbandar is which highway? What is the national highway number? It is a national. Okay, find out this, that which national highway is crossing from the Porbandar. Okay, try to find out this. I'm also giving you a clue. You can find it out through the Google map. Okay children, so find out this. This is your assignment. You can also give me answer in the comment box. Okay children, so it connects the one state with the another state. It connects the main cities, ports and the administrative headquarters, and there are approximately 50 national highways in India. Okay, the longest and the shortest highways, and the longest highway start here from the Srinagar, and all the way you can see this yellow line, and it's all the way goes to and connect to the Kanyakumari. So it almost connect all the important cities of the different state. See, here it is Srinagar, then here it is Jalandhar, then it also crosses Delhi, then Agra, Gwalior. Okay, so it's connect all the important cities of the different state along this route. And the shortest highway, that is in highway number 35. The longest highway number is 7 and the shortest highway number is 35, and it connects here from the Kolkata to the Bangaon, and it is near the, it is a last village of the West Bengal, and it is near the Bangladesh border. Okay, so these are the so this is the longest and this is the shortest national highway. Okay, the next means of the transportation and the very popular and the cheapest means of transportation is the railway. Many people travel together at the same time. Okay, and the large and the more number of the people can travel together. Goods in the bulk quantity can be transported together. Traveling has become a faster, and today instead of the coal, diesel or the electric engines are used. See, ट्रेन क्योंकि साइज में बहुत बड़ा होता है, सो लॉट ऑफ नंबर ऑफ द गुड्स एंड द पीपल कैन ट्रेवल टुगेदर. ओके, वो स्पीड भी ज़्यादा होता है, एंड it nowadays lots of the engines are traveling with the help of the electricity, so it's become still more better and the faster means. Now the railways are of different types in India. You can see here, this is an diesel engine, then this is an electric engine, this is a metro. Here you can see this is the picture of the Delhi metro. This is the new double-decker train introduced in India. Okay, so there are different types of the train. There is a train which is also known as the luggage train. Okay, in which only goods are transported from one place to another place. Now comes the waterways. In India, waterways are the most important and inexpensive mode of transportation. In India, the Ganga, Brahmaputra are the perennial rivers. Hence, these steamers, boats are used to transport the passengers and the goods throughout the year. International trade and traveling for the pleasure can be carried out via the waterways. अभी waterways बहुत different types के हैं. See, you can see in the picture here it is a boat. Okay, it is a fishing boat. This is a sailboat. Okay, then here this is a river boat. Okay, this is a cruise, means it is a big ship. Okay, in which people and the goods both can be transported. Then here it is a motor ship. Okay, other than the transportation, these waterways, different waterways, for example, see, this is a ship of the Coast Guard. Okay, then this is a sailboat, here you can see. Okay, then it is a container ship which is used only for transportation of the goods. Okay, this is a pleasure boat, means it is used to transport the human being from the one end to the other end. Okay, so this is only for the pleasure. Then even Coast Guard. Okay, so we have a different wing for the water transportation even in our even in our defense. Okay, Coast Guard and the Navy. Okay, and the another is the ropeway in the mountainous region where their road or the railway cannot be constructed. There ropeway are the constructed. Okay, to carry the people from the one mountain to the another mountain. And where we can see the ropeway, it is in the Rajgir of Bihar, and recently it has been started in the Girnar also, and earlier in the Gujarat the ropeway was at the Pavagadh. Okay, so in the Gujarat there are the two places where there are ropeway. One is Girnar and another is Pavagadh. Even at the, if you will go to the Himachal Pradesh, that is also very mountainous region, there also at the many places there are ropeways. Okay, so you can see this is a ropeway in the picture, you can see. Okay, these people mostly travel in the ropeway for the pleasure, for the excitement. Is it? Yeah, another is the airways. When you want to transport any good or the people more faster and in the less time, at that time aircraft is used. Okay, and airports needs to be constructed for the safe takeoff and the landing of the aeroplanes. जैसे हमको व्हीकल्स के लिए, टू व्हीलर, फोर व्हीलर्स के लिए रोड चाहिए, वैसे ही हमको एयरवेज के लिए, एरोप्लेन्स के लिए, एयरक्राफ्ट्स के लिए क्या चाहिए? एयरपोर्ट चाहिए फॉर द सेफ लैंडिंग एंड द टेक ऑफ. The international airports are located in the Ahmedabad, Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai and Thiruvananthapuram. Indian Airlines provide this service for the domestic travel and Air India provides this service for the international travel also. So Indian Airlines है वो local level के लिए भी, means if you want to go from the Chennai to Mumbai or Mumbai to Delhi, so that is an domestic traveling. Okay, and it is also provide the traveling for the international. Apart from this, private airlines also function as an important means of travel by air. अब इसमें private airlines भी हैं. Okay, you can see this is the picture of the aeroplane. There are different types of the aircraft, business, recreation and the commercial are the passengers and the cargo planes, and military में airlift and the combat. Okay, these two you can see in the picture. These are used in the defense. Okay children, so hereby we have seen all the means of the transportation, but one thing I forget to explain here is in the road transportation we have seen the 5 types. In that I forget to explain you about the expressway. It is a type of a road provided especially in the metro cities or in the big cities. It is it's a road where the speed you have to pay, and you can then drive with the more more speed. Okay, if you want to reach somewhere, then that road can be used. If you want to reach somewhere faster, then the expressway are used. Okay, so expressway is a special type of the road provided to the people to go with the more speed. Okay, and uh, it has been constructed for uh, moving with the more uh, moving in the faster way. Okay, so that's all for this chapter. Okay, for any query, you can post me in the personal. You can also comment. Okay, goodbye and good day.